Miller, what are you going to do? Wait, don't jump yet. Don't jump yet. We're going to say 1. Count with Daddy. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, go. One more. Here we go, let's count it out. Stand up. Count with Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Go! Okay, there's Mummy. Press the red button.